Hi guys! For today's video, may sinuport na project ang Go Gadgets. Tara, samahan nyo kami!
I'm Rosemary Villete from the Rotary Club of San Juan East. Actually po yung reason, isa sa mga reason bakit po kayo nandito is gusto ko po na kahit panandalian lamang is makalimutan niyo po muna yung hirap, pain at kung ano man po yung pinagdadaanan niyo.
After ng opening remarks, nag-start na tayo mag-storytelling at ito naman yung pag-games. After ng games, ayan, kumain na rin kami. And look who's here!
Ako si Baby Bull lang!
Here to win! After ni Baby Boobsy, dumating na nga sila Jollibee at si Hetty. Dito naman, nag-start na tayo mag-distribute ng mga gifts. We spread love, care, joy, and hope.
Sheila Yudeborha for the closing remarks. Certificate of appreciation to our sponsor.
Our Service Project Chair, VP Sheila Yudeborha, 2015.
Presented to Go Gadgets PH.
Fight, 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 cancer, go away!
Go Gadgets #1!